This video is really for me to just reflect on where I'm at as a trader and how, being a mom has affected my trading, and just really analyzing what I need to correct and really taking accountability on where I've been struggling. I feel like I'm not going to move forward unless I really take necessary action to improve where I've been wrong. So I did a lot of journaling. There's some prayers here. There's some new lists, new entry criteria, new exit criteria, new risk management. And I just really want to go into the new year I just want to be a new trader. I feel like I need to evolve. I've just been stuck. And one of the topics is I learned from a mentor, but I think that I've been trading that strategy for over a year, and I've been dabbling with doing a little bit of adjustment, and I truly believe that I've come to a point where the strategy needs to be more of my own strategy. I feel like you can learn trading, but there comes a time where it needs to really fit who you are. It needs to fit your schedule, your personality, how you see the charts. There's gonna come a time where your strategy is going to look like you. So that's where I'm at right now. I will be putting out some content of what my strategy looks like. I will be listing out my new rules, and I think that will give me a little bit of accountability too, because then I can start doing more trade recaps and things of that nature. So honestly, there's been a lack of trade recaps because I have been breaking rules and feeling a little embarrassed about showing what that looked like. Although I have done a little bit of that recently. If you check my Instagram, you'll see that. So please try to find me on different socials, give me a follow, and just see my progression. So first of all, I have been really bad about sticking to my daily bias, and I have a tool that's great that I've started using. It's based off AI, and I still try to go against that, and it's really, most of my bigger losses are when I go against the clear daily bias. It's and I'm a gold trader, so when gold is moving strong in a bullish direction, I'm literally trying to argue with it, thinking no, it's gonna turn around. I mean, you can't keep going up. Last week, it was diabolic, just going up, and I kept trying to short it, and I know better. And another thing I want to focus on is I've been mostly trading prop firms and struggling to get to a payout, and I've been just kind of dabbling in my live Forex account. But I think moving forward next year, I'm going to reverse that. I'm going to try to focus more on my live account and then have prop firm trading more on the side. But what I'm going to need to do is add more to my live account because I have a very small one and it does not leave enough room for risk management. So, and speaking of risk management, for me, I had to acknowledge, I wrote about this, that I'm not that strong with numbers. So I've been approaching my prop firm accounts with not a clear reason behind my risk management, not adjusting my contract sizes or my lot sizes properly to the risk size. So I really sat down and did the math, and I need to, approach my sessions with just more clear reason and clear numbers getting into my trades. So that's going to be a really big goal for me next year. So I've kind of had these rules, but they were just a little too flexible. I need to have no gray area. It's black or white, this or that. And I'm going to be putting some content out, sharing those rules with you, and just being more intentional. Even as a Trendline trader, I find myself oh, maybe I'll do a break. Maybe I'll do a Trendline break. Looks like I could get out on a bounce here. And it's I'm forcing the trades. Like I'm trying to make a reason to get in instead of like really waiting for these good, ideal A+ setups. So I also have noticed that sometimes your strategy just doesn't work for the market we're in. And I am a trendline trader, so my entries need to be on a trending entry, not trying to chase this up and down in the chop. So one of the things I saw that I